you have known that light passes through rectilinear path. সরল রেখায় আলোক রশ্মিগুলো যায়. So in the videos you have seen that umbras and penumbras are formed. Umbras and penumbras are formed when light is obstructed by any opaque object in its path. Then light cannot go forward crossing the opaque object, because opaque object means that cannot let light pass through it. The objects, the things that do not let light pass through it are called opaque objects. অস্বচ্ছ বস্তু, এর মধ্য দিয়ে কাঠ যেমন এর মধ্য দিয়ে আলো পাস করে না. So when light cannot pass, that part of light remains dark. That is why umbras are formed. Here in this picture you see that this is a small source of light, and while mentioning any source of light, it is customary to draw the uppermost line of this light and the lowermost line of this light, and here no light will come from this, and if it comes at all, I am not concerned with it, because there is an opaque object, and if light tries to pass through this way, it cannot do it, because here the light remains. It cannot pass through this opaque object, but the uppermost line can pass through the tip of the opaque object, and this tip is called A, and here it falls on this point, and this is called A dashed, and here also it is B, the lowest point, and light can pass through it, and it reaches here. It is B dashed, and other lights which are coming following this path, they will be there, and here also they will be there, but on throughout this triangular shaped part, beside this opaque object, behind this opaque object, this part, there will be no light, because light is obstructed here. So this part will not be lighted. This part is dark, and that dark part is called umbra. That means umbra is nothing but the absence of light. Why umbra is formed? Because there is absence of light. Why absence of light? Because of obstruction of light. Light tried to pass through this way, but here they got obstruction and could not pass. So in this part of this triangle, there will be no light, hence it will be dark, and from other points there will be light, from other points there will be light. So these parts will not be dark, only this part will be dark, and this way an umbra বা বাংলায় বলবো প্রচ্ছায়া বা ছায়া. আগের ভিডিওতে আমি প্রচ্ছায়া বা উপচ্ছায়াকে এক বলে ফেলেছি, আসলে অন্ধকারে কাজটা হচ্ছিল. যাই হোক, আমরা মিন্স ছায়া বা প্রচ্ছায়া, ছায়া এবং প্রচ্ছায়া একই. আর যেটা হালকা ছায়া আগের ভিডিওতে তোমরা দেখেছো, চারপাশে পড়ছে, মোমবাতি নিয়ে একটা পরীক্ষা আছে, সেটা হচ্ছে উপচ্ছায়া, সেটা হচ্ছে পেনাম্বরা. হাওয়েভার এটা একটা this is a point of so this is a source of light, and it is a pointed source of light, very small source of light. এটা সূচি ছিদ্র একটা ক্যামেরা বলতে পারো, বা একটা কার্ডবোর্ডের উপর একটা জাস্ট ছিদ্র করা হয়েছে, জাস্ট এ পিন হোল ইজ মেড অন এ কার্ডবোর্ড which you saw in the previous video. That means here if there is light will pass through this pore, through this opening this way, and it is hence it is a very small source of light. But if you consider the light coming from a torch, it is a large source of light. Light will come from here, come from here, come from here, and this part and this is the topmost part of the source of light, and this is the bottom part of the source of light. And if here from light will pass this way if any obstruction is put this manner, and here from it will pass this way, because you know that light passes through rectilinear path, and two lights from the top and the bottom will pass this way, and there will be the umbra formed as I have described in this picture. And also from the top point, look at this picture, two lights are, it is customary to show at least two light rays, two rays of lights, and from the one from the top and one from the bottom. Here also from the top point two rays of lights are shown, one goes this way and another, the bottom line goes this way, this will fall here, and here also in the bottom part one light ray will pass touching the top of the obstacle and reach here to the E point, and another line will reach this point. So there is an umbra formed, the darker part of the shadow, and all around it there is a lighter shadow that is called the penumbra. This part is called in Bengali term chaya or prochaya, and this penumbra is called upochaya.